How to make animated text for shorts. The first thing you want to do is choose a video editing app such as CapCut, InShot, or Adobe Premium Rush that allows you to add text animations to your video. Next, you want to create your short video or open an existing one in the app. Now, add text to your video by selecting the text tool, typing your message, and positioning it on the screen. Animate the text by selecting the text layer and choosing an animation style like fade, bounce, or style from the available options. Now, customize the animation by adjusting the timing, speed, and direction of the text to fit the flow of your video. Preview the video to ensure the text animation looks smooth and complements your content. Export the video once you're happy with the result, ready to upload it on platforms like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.